Good job. Say jump, jump, jump. Good boy. Okay, put him down. Put him down, Jaden. Are you holding him? No, you don't punch him. Get away from him now. You want a timeout? Good jumping, Josh. Whoa! Brady's really getting going. Your arm's stuck. Here you go. Whoa! Good job, honey. Jada, move. Good job, Josh. Nice mohawk. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa!